That's how I feel right now. Thanks, Jeremy. Bitch. I'm sorry I missed lunch. Did Paul already take off?
Yeah, he is fine. Yeah, he's trash. Yeah,
I don't think so. Like, he's kind of excited.
Get Phil right here in a minute. Let's go! That's fine. Two, yeah. You can back this vocal down too, Sean, if you don't mind. It's a little bit hot in my wedge. I don't need it that high, thank you. Two. You let me know when you're ready with the guitar. Oh, that's fine for the wedge, thank you. Sounds great, thank you.
Are you guys gonna each other's guitars and vocals?
I think we're pretty close to one another here, most likely. Well, we'll check Brian and see what, you know. They swap leads back and forth, so maybe, yeah. Stage left, stage right, probably swap.
I can take some more on stage in the wedge, please. A touch, just maybe another dB or two. Perfect, man. Thank you. Sorry. 2-2. It's a little midi. It's a little hot on low mid. 2-2, no, maybe even mids. 2-2, hey. 2-2, yeah, hey. 2-2, yeah, hey. Wherever you just were, you had it. 2-2. Hey. Just get a little bit of that telephone in there. 2-2, yeah, hey. Yeah, hey. Hey. Yeah, just a little bit, if you don't mind. It's like that low mid. Two, 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 two. Two, two. Hey, 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 hey. Two, 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 two. Yeah, 1, 2. Hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. 1, 2. Yeah, hey, hey, hey. 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah, hey, hey, hey. That's all right. Just maybe just a couple of dBs of it in volume, and then good. 2, 2. That's perfect. Thank you.
All right. I don't really want to live. I'm good. I got some bears. I really want to live. Baby, someday I can't let go on, can't let go on. And I really want to live. She said, someday I can't get hold up, can't get hold up. And I was caught in the way. Baby, baby, you be found hanging on for delight, right? Baby, baby, you be found caught inside a riptide. Oh, yeah, I really like drowning on the inside. Oh, I can't let go. And I really wanna fight, crashing on the inside. Oh, I can't let go. And I was caught in a way. Nothing would change, nothing would change right there. Baby, baby, you be found hanging on for delight, with delight, right? Baby, baby, you be found caught inside a riptide. Pulling me out, pulling me out, pulling me out. Say, nah. Na 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 na. Sound good. Oh, baby, I was dying just to keep holding on and holding on and on and on. Oh, baby, I was dying just to keep holding on. Hey Sean, can I get less of this in the wedge, please? Hey, hey. guitar my wedge a little bit, please? Beautiful. Thank you.
I will take some Steve Drake guitar on my wedge as well, please, Sean. A little less of that. Thank you. And then, can you put some reverb on my guitar in this wedge, please? Put 20%, please.
You good, Sean? You need anything else?
Spotify.
Yeah? Yeah? You want one more? You good?
Oh, perfect, great. That sounds awesome, man. Thank you.
Thank you, Sean. Make sure you save that. Sounds beautiful.